Hi.
Hi,
Yes, good evening. Welcome
good
to my
evening.
class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. By the way, my name is Eric. What's your name?
My name is Lillian.
Lillian. Nice to meet you today. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's like a Filipino name, Lillian.
I'm from Taiwan.
Ah, you're from Taiwan. Also an
Mm,
English name, right? Or Filipino
yes.
also. We have Lillian. We have a lot of Lillian. How is Taiwan now? With your, isn't it, there is a spread of coronavirus at the moment?
Uh, it is getting better
Hmm.
now.
Oh, it's getting better. That's good. Good to hear that. Ah, that's nice.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you have, oh, I can see here that you have chosen free conversation. Is that right?
Mm, yes, yes.
Do you have any particular topic that you would like to discuss, or you want me to start a topic for you? Which one do you like?
You can give me a topic.
Okay, actually, I have here like I'll give you choices or options for you to choose, and then after that, you are going to explain why you choose something. Is that okay for you?
Mm,
Okay.
yes,
All
that
right.
is a.
Yeah,
Mm,
that's good. So let's try to have this one. Let's start with the first one is okay. For example, you can travel, like time travel. Have you thought about that? So, if you can travel, like going to the past or the future, which one would you rather go? Is it the past or the future?
future.
Future, why? Why do you want to visit the future?
Because I am uh, curious of uh,
Hmm.
what I will become in the future.
Yes. Yeah, it's very good answer.
Yes.
About what I will become.
Mm.
Really, yeah. In the future, like who will be your husband, right?
Mhm.
It's exciting, right? Yes. Yes, that's very true. And also, like, it's exciting to know what kind of job, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
will have. Wow, that's nice. Very good answer.
yes.
All right, let's have the next. So, for example, let's say you're going to lose weight. Okay. So which
Mm.
one would you prefer? A diet or exercise?
I will choose exercise because I am doing exercise
Oh,
every day now,
great.
and I am losing because I want to lose weight too.
Ah, you want also to lose weight.
Mm.
Okay. So you're doing it regularly. Yeah, exercise.
Yes, every day. I do yoga.
Oh, also. Wow, really? Wow.
Yes.
Okay. It's nice. Right. Yeah. That's very true, right? Exercise is better than diets, right? Because
Yes, yes.
you'll become more healthy or
Yes,
healthier
yes.
than diet. Sometimes uh, there are some people who are doing wrong diet, right? Wrong diet. It's
Yes,
dangerous.
yes. Mm.
Okay, so let's have the next one. Okay, since you mentioned that you are always doing exercise regularly, so in your exercise, which do you prefer? To walk in 1 hour or run in 20 minutes? Would you rather walk 1 hour or run in 20 minutes? Which do you prefer?
I will choose run in 20 minutes because it will just spend less time. Mm.
Oh, less time. Yes.
Mm.
Oh, so you can save time. You can do it for other
Yes, yes.
important
Uh-huh.
matter. Wow, good
Yes.
answer again. Very good. Yes. Oh, this one is
Yes.
challenging.
Mm.
This one is very challenging.
Mm.
Okay. What do you look for your future husband? What personality or asset are you looking for? Is it the strength or intelligence?
What kind of strengths? Mm,
Strength. No, like with muscles,
you're
very
oh.
strong, good looking, you know,
Mm,
good.
I think I'm not that care about his appearance, but
Wow.
uh I will more care about
Mm,
his yes personality if he have um mm, a goal and he want to achieve the goal, and
wow.
also he have to be a hardworking person. Mm-mm.
Wow.
Mm.
Yes, exactly. So a hard-working person is very important.
Mm.
All
Yes,
right.
yes,
Wow. So this is your ideal husband.
yes, yes.
That's great. That's great. Okay, just uh we're just going to revise here a little bit, okay? So instead of he have, it's gonna be he
He has.
has. All right, he has.
Mm.
Okay. All right. Good answer again. Now this one. Very challenging again. Okay. For example, you are about to experience a trial or testing. Like,
Mm.
which one would you prefer? Hunger or thirst?
Mm. um, I will choose Sears.
Why? Why thirst? Yeah.
Because um because if I can eat anything, I can be alive and I don't have any
Oh,
energy.
you can still live, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
For many days, right? You can still live.
Maybe like that.
Yes. Like 1 month. You will still live for 1 month. Yeah. Some people
Hmm.
didn't eat anything for 1 month. They're still alive. Yeah. How about um no water? Pure thirsty. Do you think you can
Uh,
survive for how many days?
Maybe you can before because when you are eating the food you can yes because it some food inside have the water,
Have
so
water.
it is the same too.
You can still like drink the water inside that food.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes. So you will choose thirst. Okay. Good. Good answer. You will live longer. That's
Hmm.
nice. All right. How about this one? Which one is easier for you to lead or to obey? Like to follow or to command.
I think let's have to because different situation I have different choice. So
Okay. All right. That's nice. It depends, right, on the situation.
yes, yes, yes.
For example, in if you are going to work in a company,
Mm.
do you want to be a leader or a follower?
Mm, if I have a good ability, I hope I can be the leader.
Oh, yes. I think you can.
Mhm.
You can be a great leader. Yes. You have a lot of skills and talents. Very good. Do you have a pet?
No.
No? Okay. If you will be given a chance to have a pet, which would you choose? A dog or a cat? Why?
I will choose dog.
Why?
Because many people said if you have a dog, it will just like um, because the dog will close to
Mm,
human, yes,
yes,
more than the cat.
man's best friend, right?
Yes,
Man's
yes,
best
yes.
friend. Yes, very true. Okay, good answer.
Mm,
Yeah, and it also helps like emotional health, right? It can help us with emotional health.
yes.
Okay. Um, for example, somebody wants to give you a very nice gift. What would you choose? Is it a house or a car?
Uh,
Only one, okay? You cannot choose both. Only one.
I will choose house.
Why?
Because I can live inside and I can do different kind of things in my at house. But if
Uh,
it's just a car, I can sleep inside and I just yes drive it.
you will just drive, right?
Mhm.
Uh, unless you're like in US. Some people in US they live inside the car. Yeah,
I knew
yeah.
that.
They're homeless, but they have a car, so they live in the car. And they can park, anywhere. They can transfer to from place to
Yes, yes.
place. Okay. All right, good answer again. How about this? All right, if you are to choose between beauty or character, which one would you choose?
Mm, character is like kind and
Yeah,
friendly.
yeah, it's
Um,
a good personality, like good behavior.
I will choose character.
Oh, why?
Because I think there are many kinds of definition of
Oh,
beauty, and you
oh
can't.
wow.
Yes, because
I like that.
everyone is unique, so you have
Wow.
your beauty, and yes, like this.
Wow, I like what you said. There are many definitions of beauty. So,
Mm,
yes, that's why they said beauty is, and it depends on, the eye of the beholder, right? There are
yes,
many
yes,
definitions of beauty or beautiful.
yes, yes, yes,
That's true. It depends on the person, right?
yes,
Like some this woman may be beautiful to others or maybe not beautiful to some.
yes, yes.
Yeah, but character is absolute. It's very important. Yes, yes, yes. Very good answer. I like
Mm,
your answer. Okay, so you, for example, because I mentioned a while ago about time travel. Now, let's say you are about to have a baby. Which one would you choose? A son or a daughter? First baby. Your first baby would be what? Would you like a son or a daughter?
mm, it is
Your
okay.
child.
I think that is fine.
Anything. I mean, son
um,
or daughter is good for you. It's okay.
yes, yes.
Oh,
Mm,
wow. Very safe answer.
mm,
Very nice. Okay. So you love both. I mean, it's just okay for you. Nice.
mm,
That's great. Yeah, because some they really like a son, or some
mm,
women they really like daughter because they can teach them to
mm,
how to improve their beauty.
mm.
Okay. This one is, this is very interesting. I want to know your answer with this one.
Destiny. Mm.
Okay. How about this one? Which one would you choose? To do what you love or love what you do?
Mm. to do love what I do.
Love what you do. Okay,
Mm.
why?
Because I think not every time you can choose what kind of things you want to do.
Wow,
And
yes.
yes, so you just have to love what you are doing now and try to do your best. And yes, just
Wow.
do your best.
Just do your best. I like your
Mm,
answer. So you will try and learn how to love
yes, yes.
what you're doing now. Okay, very
Mm.
good.